A very good morning everyone. Welcome back in English class. How are you all? I hope you all are good and safe at your home. Students, today we are going to start a new chapter. Chapter 6, The Sound Cave. Okay? So everyone take out your English book, focus and open page number 30. Chapter 6, The Sound Cave. You all know you have to write today's date, 4th October 2021, and day Monday on the left side and right side write grade class. Okay, so let's start. We will start with these words. First is guess, 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 guess. Next, Puzzled, 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 puzzled. Next, giving up, Giving, up, giving up. And next, puffs, Puffs, puffs. Okay, so let's start. Students, in this story we will read that a brother and a sister want to have fun, and for fun they play a sound game. So let's read what they play in this game. Okay, Minnie, Minnie, Minnie and her brother Brother Koku are at home. What is the name of brother? Koku, and the name of sister is Minnie. Okay, Minnie and her brother Koku are at home. They want, want to have fun. What they want? They want to have fun. Minnie says, I know, know a fun game. Minnie says, I know a fun game. I will make, make the sound, sound, sound of an animal, and you guess the name, guess, guess the name. What Minnie says? Minnie says that I know a fun game. I will make the sound. Sound means voice. I will make the sound of an animal and you guess the name. Okay. Fine. Fine. Fine says Koku. Koku says, okay, fine. But make it easy. 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 Please. 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 Koku says, okay, fine. But make it easy. Sound should be easy. Okay. Meow, meow. 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 Meow says Minnie. Minnie says meow, meow. I know, know, that is a cat. The sound of a cat is meow, meow. So, Koku replies, I know, that is a cat. That is easy. Replies, Replies, replies Koku. Koku replies, that is cat. Okay, that is very easy. Now, now it is my turn. Whose turn now? Now it's Koku's turn. Okay. Now it's my turn, says Koku. Squeak, squeak. Squeak, squeak, squeak. That is mouse. Mouse. Mouse, says Minnie. Minnie. Okay. Koku make the sound of squeak, squeak, and Minnie says that is mouse. That is mouse. Okay. O. This is fun. Fun, fun, says Koku. Koku says this is fun. The sound game is a fun. Okay. My turn, says Minnie. Chirp, chirp. Chirp, chirp. Birdie bird. Birdie. Birdie bird. Birdie bird. Claps cuckoo. Cuckoo claps why? Because he knows the sound birdie bird. He know that the sound of bird is chirp chirp. So he claps. Easy again. 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 Cuckoo thinks for a while. Thinks thinks for a while. 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 Cuckoo thinks for a while. He haw. Wait. He haw. He haw. Says Cuckoo. Cuckoo says he haw. Minnie is puzzled. 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 Now Minnie is puzzled. Why? She thinks and thinks. She thinks and thinks. She does not. DOES does not. She does not know. KNOW know. Which. WHICH. Which animal make that sound. She doesn't know that which animals make the sound of he ho. Okay. So Minnie is puzzled. Okay. If you cannot, CAN can, NOT not. If you cannot guess, then give up. Now Cuckoo says, if you cannot guess, then you can give. You can give up. Give up. No, I am not giving up. Now Minnie says, no, I am not giving up. Minnie thinks hard. HARD, hard. Minnie thinks hard. He ho. WHERE, where. Have I heard. HEARD, heard this sound. Now Minnie thinks, where have I heard this sound? A donkey, DONKEY, donkey makes that sound. Yippee. Who makes this sound? Who makes he-ho sound? A donkey, DONKEY, donkey makes that sound. Yippee. She is excited. She is very happy. Okay. So she said yippee. YEPPE. Yippee. Now come on the next page. I guess. GUESSED. Guess. It right. 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 Minnie jumps with joy. Okay. Minnie jumps with joy. Why? Because she guessed the right sound. Okay. Now it is Minnie's turn. MINI apostrophe S. Minnie's turn. TURN, turn. She opens. OPENS, opens her mouth. MOUTH, mouth. And then THEN, then closes it. CLOSES, closes it. Again AGAIN, again she opens. OPENS, opens her mouth and closes it. She opens her mouth and then closes it. Again she opens her mouth and closes it. Cuckoo taps his chin. No sound. SOUND, no sound. Cuckoo puffs, PUFF, puffs his mouth and says, it is a fish. Because she opens her mouth and then close it again. Okay. Then Cuckoo think, no sound. Cuckoo puffs his mouth and says, it is fish. We both, B-O-T-H, both win. Minnie and Coco jump with joy. J-U-M-P, jump. W-I-T-H, with J-O-Y, joy. Okay? Students, that's it for today. Please read this chapter twice. Bye-bye.